Chapter 11, Technology and Time. Best apps for time tracking and focus. What gets measured gets managed. Peter Drucker. In the age of constant notifications, multitasking, and digital distractions, technology can either steal your time or help you master it. The difference lies in the tools you choose and how you choose them. To work smarter, not just harder, you need two categories of tools. Time tracking apps to measure where your hours go. Focus app to block distraction and maintain flow. By combining both, you gain clarity, control, and consistency in how you spend your most precious resource, your time. Part 1, Best Time Tracking Apps. These apps help you analyze your work habits, identify time leaks, and bill clients accurately. Toggle Track. Best for freelancers, teams, or anyone who wants a clean and intuitive time tracker features. One click timer, manual time entry, detailed reports and project tracking, work on web, mobile, and desktop. Free and paid plans. Second, rescue time. Best for automatic time tracking and productive scoring. Feature track websites and web apps in the background, daily focus score and weekly reports. Alert when you spend too long on distractions. Get great for self-awareness and digital behavior improvement. Third, Clockify. Best for teams and solo users managing multiple projects. Features time logging, billable hours, and visual dashboards, project budgeting, and team productivity insights. Chrome extension for real-time tracking. Free version in generous. Harvest, best for freelancers, consultants, and agencies who need time plus expense tracking features. Invoice creation from track time integrates with Asana, Trello, Slack, and more. Insightful visual report for team productivity. Paid but valuable for client work. Timely by Memory.ai. Best for automatic tracking with a privacy first design. Features AI auto tracks your work and builds your timeline. Minimal manual inputs. Ideal for deep workers and consultants. A modern approach to time tracking. Part second. Best focus and distraction blocking apps. These apps help you guard your attention, build deep work habits, and escape the constant pull of social media and multitasking. Forest. Best for focused sprints using the Pomodoro technique. Features. Grow a virtual tree for every focus session. If you leave the app, your tree dies. Motivational gamified productivity, especially great for students or creative professionals. Freedom 7. Freedom best for blocking website and apps across devices. Features create custom block list as YouTube, Instagram. Schedule recurring focus sessions. Works across desktop and mobile. Ideal for breaking habits of digital distractions. Focus at the rate will. Best for using neuroscience backed music for productivity. Features scientifically designed music to improve focus. Tracks like Uptempo, Alpha, or ADHD type 1. Great for people who work best with ambient audio. Cold turkey. Best for hardcore distraction blockers. Windows oblique macOS. Features can block access to the internet entirely. Lockable timers, no turning back. Ideal for writers, coders, or exam prep. Not for faint-hearted. 10. Notion with templates. Best for building your own productivity dashboard. Features: custom databases, calendars, and to do lists. Integrate time tracking dashboards with habit logs, visual, flexible, and collaborative. Combined with Pomodoro widgets for full control. Bonus apps that combine time plus focus. 11. Serene. Best for structured daily planning and focus blocks features. Plan your day, then block distractions. Built-in timer with music and task breakdown. Simple, sleek, all-in-one solution. Motion. Best for AI-based scheduling plus time blocking. Feature automatically reschedules tasks based on your calendar. Blocks time for deep work and meetings. Smart automation for busy professionals. Choosing the right tools. Ask yourself, do I need help measuring time, managing focus, or both? Am I working solo or leading a team? Do I prefer automation or manual control? Start small, master one tool, then optimize. Final insight: your tool should serve your attention, not steal it. The right apps don't just track your time, they transform your awareness, boost your output, and help you live with intention. Use technology to guard your time, not surrender it. Track, block, focus, reflect. Let your tools become your time allies. Automating repetitive tasks. Never automate something that should not be done at all, but if it must be done repeatedly, automate it unknown. In a world where your to-do list never ends and your time is constantly under pressure, automation becomes your silent assistant. It does not just save time, it frees your brain from manual decisions, reduces errors, and lets you focus on what truly matters. Whether you are a solopreneur, manager, or part of a team, automating repetitive tasks can unlock hours each week and dramatically improve your productivity. What is task automation? Task automation is the process of using software tools to perform routine or repetitive tasks without manual effort. Think of it as building a system that works for you even when you are offline or asleep. If you find yourself doing the same thing more than twice a week, ask, can this be automated? Why automate? Time saving. Eliminate time spent on admin, data entry, and follow ups. Accuracy. Reduce human error, especially in calculation, updates, and notifications. Energy conservation. Prevent mental fatigue caused by switching between low value tasks. Scalability. Focus on high leverage tasks as your workload increases. Common repetitive tasks you can automate. Type task type. Example of automation. Admin. Auto scheduling meetings, sending reminders, invoice generations. Communication. Sending welcome emails, newsletters, delivery, customer follow-ups. File management. Automatically sorting, naming, or backing of files. Data entry. Syncing information between spreadsheets and CRMs. Reporting. Auto-generating weekly performance or sales reports. Notifications. Alerting team members when tasks change status. Best tools to automate repetitive tasks. First, Zapier connects 6,000 plus apps to trigger automated workflow. Zaps use it to save Gmail attachments to Google Drive, add new leads from Facebook ads to Google Sheets, send Slack alerts when tasks are completed in Trello. Second, make formally Integromat, more advanced automation with additional logic and real-time data flows. Use it to watch data in real time from apps like Airtable or Notion. Automate workflows with branching scenarios. IFTT, if this then that. Great for light personal automation tasks. Use it to silence your phone when you enter a meeting, Post Instagram photos automatically to Twitter. Turn off your lights when you leave home. Calendly. Automate scheduling by syncing with your calendar and sending invites. Use it to avoid back and forth emails for meeting times. Send automatic reminders and follow-ups. Routine meetings to specific team members based on rules. Grammarly and text blaze. Automate writing task. Grammarly for instant grammar and tone corrections. Text blaze for pre-saved responses. You can type with shortcuts as typing thanks enters a full thank you email. Trello plus Butler automates actions inside Trello boards. Use it to move cards when due dates change. Assign tasks automatically based on keywords. Create recurring cards for weekly tasks. Google Workspace plus add-ons ones. Create automations within Google Sheets, Forms, and Gmail. Use it to send personalized email responses from form submissions. Generate invoices automatically from a spreadsheet. Trigger Google Calendar events based on data. Build simple automation in 3 steps. Identify the repetitive task. What task do you do daily or weekly that follows a fixed pattern? Choose the right tool. Match the tool to the platform you use, Gmail, Slack, Notion, etc. Test and monitor. Run the automation, tweak it, and check it does not cause new problems. Pro tip, start with one small automation per week. Let your productivity compound. Common automation mistakes to avoid. Automating broken process. Fix the workflow first. Setting and forgetting. Review automations regularly. Over automating, some tasks still require human touch. Not documenting, your future self or team will not know how it works. Final insight, you don't raise to the level of your goals, you fall the level of your system. James Clear. Automation is a modern superpower. It takes the burden off your schedule, lifts your mental load, and helps you focus on deep, meaningful work. When used intentionally, it turns time-wasting routines into invisible, optimized system. Let machines do what machines do best, so you can do what humans do best. Think, create, and lead. The dark side: how tech wastes time. Technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Christian Laws Lenz. In a world overflowing with gadgets, apps, and alerts, technology can be a double-edged sword. One On one hand, it offers unmatched convenience, automation, and access. On the other, it quietly steals your time, fragments your attention, and drains your mental energy. This is the dark side of tech, not its functionality, but its overuse and misuse. If not managed meaningfully, technology can turn into the biggest barrier to your productivity, creativity, and even well-being. How technology wastes time without you noticing. First, endless notification. Energy ping feels urgent, but most are not. Whether it's a breaking news alert, social media like, or email reply, each one interrupts your focus and take 5 to 20 minutes to regain. Constant interruptions are the enemy of deep work. Second, social media scrolling, designed to be addictive. Platforms like Instagram, X, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok thrive on infinitive scroll, dopamine hits, and algorithm traps. What starts as just 5 minutes and can easily become 45 minutes passive consumption. Third, context switching. Jumping between apps, tabs, and devices may feel productive, but it actually slows you down. And switch adds cognitive load and reduces your efficiency by as much as 40%. Multitasking is not real productivity, it's rapid task switching with a post. Email overload. Email can be a vital tool, but checking it compulsively not so much. Many professionals spend 2 to 3 hours a day on emails, often reacting instead of planning. Inbox zero becomes an obsession. CCs and threats multiply like weeds. Urgent does not always mean important. 5. Meetings without purpose. Video calls and virtual meetings are easier than ever to schedule, but that also means they are overused. Without clear goals, meetings become a time trap, especially when they involve too many people, lack structure, or could have been handled by email. Digital clutter. Having 30 plus open tabs, disorganized drives, and endless to do apps can create mental overload. Clutter does not just live on your screen, it creeps into your thinking and drains your focus. 7. Over reliance on productivity apps. Ironically, productivity apps can make you less productive if you spend more time organizing than doing. You use too many tools with overlapping features. You constantly switch between platforms looking for the perfect one. The take time trap formula. Convenience plus novelty plus notification is equal to addiction disguised as efficiency. What makes tech so dangerous is that it does not always look like a problem. It mas- masquerades as productivity while quietly consuming the very resources you are trying to manage your time. How to protect yourself from tech overuse? First, audit your digital habits. Track your screen time for a week. Identify your top 3 time wasting apps. Ask, does this app save me or distract me? Second, turn off non-essential notification. If you not urgent or work, critically silence it. You don't need 50 dings a day. Third, use tech boundaries. Set no screen zones, bedroom meals, meetings. Designate app free hours for deep work. Limit social media and timers or blockers. Fourth, batch check communication. Email 2 to 3 times a day, not every 5 minutes. Message turn off read receipts and typing indicators. Meetings replace with async updates when possible. Final insight, you are not just wasting time, you are wasting the opportunity to live fully present. Technology is a tool, not a lifestyle. You must master your tech before it master your attention. To manage time wisely in the digital age, you must build tech discipline. Be intentional about what you use. Be mindful about how often you use it. Be ruthless in protecting your time from invisible trends. Unfollow the noise. Uninstall the distraction. Unplug the regain control. Thank you very much for listening to this audio book. Please like and subscribe.